you have gotten rid of a shortage. And that means the right goods in the right quantity. Because a shortage cannot mean the right quantity. A shortage means under production. Alright, so by getting rid of a shortage, you are getting allocative efficiency. Okay, allocative efficiency is achieved. I've shown you how the price mechanism answers all three questions. Are you okay? Okay, this is what we are going to do because we will take a short break. But as we take a very short break, I just want you to try this out for yourself. You don't need to write out the steps, right? Let's say you start at P2. Are you also able to end up with a revision to PE? Which means at P2, you're going to see what? A surplus. There will be downward pressure on price. Then you're supposed to trace what happens when price falls. You will come back to this point. Try it for yourself, okay? And then after that, I will just explain a few more things, then we can probably look at demand and supply. Do you all bring last week's book? Okay, if not to worry, alright, I'll just tell you which pages you can read out at home. Okay, let's take a short break. As we take a very short break, 6 to 7 minutes, right? Just try imagining, visualizing what happens when you're P2. Okay, if you can really see it, then no problem. Just go for a break, buy a drink, go for a walk. Okay. So you just need to change some of the phrases here. From a shortage, you are looking at a surplus. There will be downward pressure on price, okay? Then the rest are the same. Okay. So in short, you have just gotten a very quick preview of how the price mechanism works. This is known as the price mechanism because it uses the price. So sometimes we call this a price signal. And everything is driven by self-interest. Okay, you can see that's automatic because self-interest will guide the whole system. So when we use the word invisible hand, it's almost like saying there's something guiding the system. So what's guiding the system? Self-interest, which manifests in the price movement. Okay. There's one part in my book that explains this. Okay. So if you look at price mechanism, some of you will see price mechanism in the second topic, some of you will see it in the first topic, but I think either way they will give you an introduction right from your first topic. Okay, but the full details may not come in so soon. But now basically you see the full explanation already. This is page 77 of the book. Okay, so under page 77, I had a short essay plan here. The question is to require students to explain how the price mechanism allocates resources in the free markets. Okay, so when you explain how the price mechanism allocates resources, okay, look at what we have here. First, I say that scarcity is a situation where there are limited resources to meet unlimited human wants. Okay, then the three questions: what and how much, how for whom. And I said all this is guided by self-interest, using the price as a signal. Very much in line with what we have just seen, okay? There are some technical terms here, don't worry so much about it. You'll probably see this next week. Consumer and producer surplus, okay? So, in the following page, under what and how much to produce, I said, talk about how rational producers will produce goods with a higher price, and I said, elaborate with a demand and supply diagram. We have already seen the demand and supply diagram here. Okay? Then, how to produce? Rational producers will choose the least cost method. Okay? Then finally, they will only produce for those who are willing and able to pay. And this is the one technical term, rationing function.